wonder, how do orbitals mix?
Great question. First, orbital mixing is when atoms blend their electron clouds to form new shapes that help them bond. Second, today we will explore how these blended shapes explain straight, bent, and tetrahedral molecules. Third, stay with me because these shapes unlock almost everything in organic chemistry.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great question. That curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. Number 1, orbital mixing helps you understand why molecules take specific shapes. Number 2, it explains bond strength, bond angles, and how atoms connect in real reactions. Number 3, it becomes the foundation for predicting stability, polarity, and reactivity.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. 1. Imagine orbitals like soft balloons that blend together to form new balloon shapes. 2. The core truth is that atoms mix orbitals to lower energy and create stable bonding patterns. 3. Remember it by picturing mix to make stability, the heart of hybridization.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. Step 1. An atom gathers its s and p orbitals like ingredients ready to blend. Step 2. These orbitals mix into hybrid orbitals such as sp, sp2, or sp3 with new shapes. Step 3. The hybrids point in specific directions, creating the molecule's final three-dimensional structure.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
First, the shape of water bending like a boomerang comes from orbital mixing. Second, drug molecules rely on hybrid orbitals to fit perfectly into receptors like keys into locks. Third, spotting these shape patterns helps chemists design safer and more effective medicines.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Number 1, picture orbitals as colorful balloons that love blending to feel balanced. Number 2, imagine the balloons stretching into straight lines, flat triangles, or cozy tetrahedra. Number 3, remember that mastering shapes helps you see the hidden geometry guiding all of chemistry. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.